Hi everyone, my name is Rutmeli Sinaga. Let me tell you about my research with the title of How to Attract IT Talent of Generation Z in the Context of Indonesia. The first one is the background of this research. Having the best result is one of the important thing in gaining and retaining competitive advantage. Results that are valuable, rare, unique, and difficult to imitate in the theory approach resource-based view are very important in obtaining and maintaining competitive advantage. Nowadays, organizations are facing challenges to find talent who are fit with the company needs as a consequence of talent shortage. The phenomenon of war for talent still occurs in several industrial sectors in Indonesia, such as banking, hospitality, and telecommunication. IT talent in the banking sector is one of the problems in the digital banking transformation process due to the limited number of available IT talent, while the need for talent that can encourage digital innovation is increasing. In data from BPS 2020, Generation Z has been part of the workforce in Indonesia. Based on the results of McKinley in 2019, Generation Z is an individual whose birth years range from 1995 to 2009. According to the study of Benjik et al. 2016, there are significant differences between Generation Z and the other generation. The characteristic of Generation Z that was born in digital technology fit with the company's need in processing the digital transformation. Company have to know the characteristic of Generation Z in order to know the things that affect their attractiveness. Employer branding is effective concept in differentiating organization from its competitor in gaining a competitive advantage in the labor market. Employer brand was first used in the research of Ambler and Barrow in 1996 to describe the reputation and character of the organization as an employer. If organization has a good reputation, the chance of talent to apply for a job in the organization is increased. In addition to influencing the intention to apply for talent, corporate reputation is influenced by the presence of employer attractiveness and use of social media in relation to the requirement process. In the research of Beckhaus and Tico in 2004, we know that employer attractiveness is the result of employer branding. From the previous research, we get some information that the perception of talent toward employer attractiveness has a positive influence in building a good corporate reputation. And one impression of the reputation of organization can be improved by the availability of job vacancy and company identity information on company social media. Corporate reputation is influenced by employer attractiveness and use of social media. And corporate reputation effect on intention to apply. And corporate reputation as mediator in relationship between employer attractiveness and intention to apply, but insignificant to influence use of social media on intention to apply. So based on empirical study, the main purpose of this research is to identify Generation Z perception of employers as well as their intention to apply for a job. And we also identify how corporate reputation affect the relation between employer attractiveness as well as the use of social media in the requirement process toward intention to apply for a job. And the second part is literature review. We use some previous research to build the hypothesis of this research. Talent tends to evaluate job vacancy available at a company based on the characteristic of the job and organizational attribute, and the result of evaluation determine the perception of talent on organizational attractiveness, which will affect the intention to apply by result of Gomes and Yves in 2011. In other hand, Severzat et al. In 2013 found that the dimension of employer attractiveness that directly affect the intention to apply is only psychological value. So in our study, we hypothesize that employer attractiveness has a positive and significant effect on intention to apply in Generation Z. Talent collects information about job advertisement through company websites so that the information obtained influence the decision of talent to apply for a job in organization. That is the result from research of Vinayak et al. In 2017. So we hypothesize that use of social media has a positive and significant effect on intention to apply in Generation Z. And from the result of Hanway et al. In 2021 says that companies that offer benefit that can be felt by talent related to employer attractiveness are considered to have a good reputation and will have a positive impact on intention to apply for a job at that company. So in this research, we hypothesize that employer attractiveness has a positive and significant effect on corporate reputation in Generation Z. And from the research of Severzat et al. In 2013, we know that companies that use of social media to attract talent have a good reputation for talent. But in contrast to the result from the research of Hanung et al. In 2021, state that there is no effect of the use of social media in building a good corporate reputation. So in our study, we investigate whether the use of social media affect corporate reputation, and we hypothesize that use of social media has a positive and significant impact on corporate reputation. And talent often consider several organizations as their place to start their career by using corporate reputation as a source of information about work in various organizations. That is the result of Cable and Turban in 2003. So, in our study, we hypothesized that corporate reputation has a positive and significant effect toward intention to apply on Generation Z. And from the results of Silverzett et al. In 2013 found that employer attractiveness has an indirect effect on intention to apply through the mediating role of corporate reputation. So in our study, we investigate and hypothesis that corporate reputation has a mediating effect in the relationship between employer attractiveness and intention to apply on the Generation Z. And from the result of research, Hanu et al. In 2021 state that the use of social media in the requirement process result in greater intention to apply for a job at the company, but Talon didn't emphasize social media as a factor that reflect corporate reputation. So that the result his research state that corporate reputation doesn't play a role in mediating the relationship between use of social media and intention to apply. So in our study, we investigate whether corporate reputation play a role in mediating the positive influence of the social media on intention to apply, and we hypothesize that the corporate reputation has a mediating effect in the relationship between use of social media and intention to apply in the Generation Z. And based on the review theory and the proposed hypothesis, the result model is presented in figure 1. And next is about procedure and participant. According to McCrindle in 2019, respondents in this study include final year computer science student and recent graduate born between 1995 and 2009. Students are good candidates for this research because they will be a job seeker and potential employees for the company in the future. And because the company needs for digitalization, particularly in the banking sector, computer science students were used in this study. The primary data for this study is gathered using quantitative method. People responded via online questionnaires about two well-known Indonesian banks. The questionnaires were distributed to respondents at Indonesia top 3 educational institutions, namely Universitas Indonesia, Universitas Gadjah Mada, dan Institut Teknologi Bandung. This study was used by two banks with the best reputation, a privately owned bank and a government bank in Indonesia. We asked all respondents how familiar they are with two of the firms, so all of the questions were about the firm they were familiar with. Because this study used all of the results from two firms as a single sample, the mean and standard deviation of the two firms are closely related. Because respondents could answer the questionnaire for more than one firm, the study received 310 responses in total, and we use Israel and Spaces to process the data. The questionnaire used in this study was translated into bahasa from English. Peers review the translation for spelling and content, and the pilot test was conducted to 30 respondents. The overall fit of the model was assessed using the chi-square test, which measured the difference between an estimate and baseline model, as well as confirmatory factor analysis, which assessed the fit of all variable scale. And about the measures of this research, we use 4 variables were measured using a scale developed in previous research. The first one is employer attractiveness was measured using 6 dimensions and 20 indicators that were developed by Alniachik and Alniachik in 2012. And the second one is corporate reputation was measured using a scale developed by Choban et al. In 1998 with 4 indicators. And variable intention to apply was measured using scale of Highhouse et al. In 2003. And about variable use of social media was measured using a scale developed by Collins and Stevens 2002. As the scale originally was meant for the use in the general marketing of organization and job vacancy, the study modified it to adapt a variable in employability. And all items of variable were measured by a 6-point Likert scale, and we use some control variable were include such as gender, age, academic result, and work experience. And about the result, the proposed model was tested using structural equation modeling in RESL 8.8. And confirmatory factor analysis was conducted to evaluate the fit of all of the variable scales. And after removing a weak dimension on employer attractiveness, we get the Gottfried model. And we can see it in figure 2. As illustrated in figure 2, the final model results show a significant positive relationship between employer attractiveness toward corporate reputation and intention to apply to. Only 3 dimensions that have a positive effect, so, namely social value, corporate value, and working environment. And use of social media has a positive effect on corporate reputation and intention to apply to. And the study discovered a significant relationship between corporate reputation and intention to apply. To determine the influence indirect effect in the final model, we compare the factor loading of a direct effect to indirect effect between variables. And we get the result that employer attractiveness and use of social media are only directly related to intention to apply. And about discussion, we can now According to the finding of the study, employer attractiveness plays a significant role in increasing the intention of Generation Z to apply for a job through the dimension of social value, corporate value, and working environment. And the findings are consistent with the Generation Z desire for a job security and confirmed by Weber in 2017, but the result contradicts the finding of Hanu et al. In 2021, who discovered that only application value had an effect on intention to apply. And according to the result, use of social media has a positive effect on intention to apply. This finding suggests that using social media to provide information about jobs and company can improve Generation Z intention to apply for a job at the company. And according to the finding of the study, employer attractiveness plays an important role in the development of company reputation. The dimensions that play a role are social values, corporate value, and working environment. This result is consistent with the previous finding, but the dimension that influence the corporate reputation differ in its study. This study finding statistically confirmed the link between social media use and corporate reputation. According to the finding of this study, use of social media has a positive impact on corporate reputation. It has been demonstrated that use of social media, companies communicated information related to the requirement process can help company build their reputation. And the finding of this study so that the corporate reputation has a positive effect on intention to apply. This result is in line with previous finding, and we know that Generation Z will be more likely to apply for a job at company with a good reputation. And the finding of this study show that corporate reputation doesn't play a role in mediating the impact of employer attractiveness on intention to apply, and this result contradict to the result of Siprajat et al. In 2014, who discovered that all dimension of employer attractiveness has an indirect effect on intention to apply via corporate reputation as moderating variable. And finally, the finding of this study show that corporate reputation doesn't play a role in mediating the impact of social media on intention to apply to. This result is consistent with Hanu et al. In 2021 discovered that use of social media in the requirement process increased talent intention to apply for a job at company, but talent didn't emphasize social media as a factor that reflect corporate reputation. So we can conclude some point from the result of this research. The first one is to attract talent from Generation Z. Organization can focus on building a company reputation through use of social media and employer branding strategy for business that offer a comfortable working environment, social value, and corporation value. And for Generation Z, the most important factor in deciding where to begin their career is the work environment. Also keep in mind that economic value, application value, and market value are not important factor in job application for Generation Z. The assess demonstrated that this generation doesn't not prioritize attractive salary and benefit when selecting a company. So, in order to attract talent for Generation Z, organization must improve their social media strategy. And company can use social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to attract talent. Although corporate reputation doesn't play a role in mediating the influence of employer attractiveness and use of social media on intention to apply, it does have a positive influence on intention to apply. Although the result of the study have important implications, it has a few limitations. The sample of the study consists of only final year student and recent graduate in the field of computer science education from 3 Indonesian university. A future study may focus on broadening the scope of the sample by including Generation Z professional with more than 2 years of work experience, so that the result of the study can determine whether there are difference in perception and attitudes. And it may also use final year students and graduates from various disciplines so that they can later compare research findings. That is all about my research. Thank you for your attention.